I'm recording now. God, you're so American, I swear down.
5, 4, 3, 2, let's roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Let's roll.
Yeah! Woohoo! Yippee! What's up, Planet Roller Skaters? I'm Sojourn, Planet Roller Skate correspondent. You may remember me from the last episode I did with Tanuke's Orbit, where we were learning how to moonwalk. I've teamed up with Planet Roller Skate again to deliver a mini-series on all things skating backwards. I absolutely love all things backwards when it comes to skating. It's one of the reasons why I started to feel like a confident skater, and it gave me my first few tricks, if you will. No tutorial is good without an expert in the field, so I've teamed up with one of my favorite skaters, Ishariah, also known as Storm Skater, and she's going to be coming to teach me all of her really cool moves. We're going to be starting off the series and where we're going to be learning the backwards crossover, something that so many people have actually been requesting. So if you would like to learn how to skate backwards, and I'm talking from backwards crossover, backwards shuffle, backwards stops, tune in to this series over on my channel. So, side note, on my channel, which you should totally subscribe to, you'll find a little bit of everything, especially my travels. Like that one time I went to Europe's biggest natural ice skating rink and I broke my blades trying to do jumps. Yeah guys, I need work. But not to fear, PlanetRollerskate.shop is here. That's right, PlanetRollerskate.shop actually sells ice skates along with all your other roller skating needs. They can actually get you fitted out for your winter too. They even have a payment plan option for those looking to play while they save. Such important information, and I wouldn't feel right if I kept it to myself. So I'm gonna go meet up with my girl, and you guys, if you want to find out exactly how to do these moves, follow me. So, Ishariah, you are really well known in the skate community, especially here in London. What do you think it is about your skating style that so many people love and so many people are mesmerized by?
I don't really know. I personally think it's because I take my time to develop my skills. So a lot of people have seen my growth from the beginning. Well, not a lot, but a lot of people who in the skate scene have seen my growth, and then some people would just be like, oh my God, I can't believe you can do that. But I think it's just because, like I said, I took my time to learn my skills and develop them. So a lot of people are mesmerized by just the skills I've gained, I would say that. But
so you definitely emphasize that it's not just something that happened overnight, that it's really a process.
No, it took me over 10 years to get the way that I am now, and I'm still practicing, and I still feel like I can get even more better with developing my skills, learning new types of skating as well, like ramp skating. I'm like a baby skater in there, so yeah.
Okay. All right, so what are you going to be teaching me today?
So today we're going to be learning all different ways to get backwards and feel more confident going backwards as well. The aim is to be able to go backwards, learn how to cross over.
Okay, so do you think I have what it takes to learn the backwards crossover? Because this is one of my favorite moves and I'm still really learning how to do it, especially do it confidently. On this ground, it's actually not super flat, so this might also be a little bit of a challenge.
A little bit tricky. We've got a little bit of some slants up and down, but yes, I do feel like you can get it. If you put your mind towards it, it's possible. So the first thing you have to do is put your boot over your other boot and feel comfortable. So what I'm going to suggest you guys do is bend your knees, and bend your knees. Then what I want you to do is put your boot over the other boot and bend. So, bend. Then you're going to come up and your legs are going to be parallel. So up and parallel. Here is the most safest part you're going to be at. So remember, when you bend in, you're going to feel a little bit uncomfortable. And then once you're out and up, you're going to be safe. So bend, up, bend, up, bend, up, bend, up. At the moment we're just going sideways. You want to be able to roll, and then you're going to cross over. So you're going to bend and up while you roll. So I'm going to roll, and then I'm going to bend up. have to feel a little bit more comfortable rolling backwards. So, and also be at the angle. Roller skating, then I turn, bend, up, and then roller skate. She's so American.
Okay guys, I'm ready for this. Ishariah just taught me how to skate backwards, crossover. I'm gonna really try hard not to fall, not to crack my mouth open wide. When my biggest fear is losing a tooth. So I've gotten to 32 years old without ever doing that. So now we're gonna make sure it doesn't happen today. Okay, so from what I remember Ishariah telling me was that the first thing I have to do is learn to bend my knees and put one over the other. She said you gotta push and cross. Push and cross.
That was good, that was good.
Okay guys, it happens. Gotta get up, gotta try it again, okay? So, I believe she said push and cross, alright? Making sure you push and then cross that leg. So, push and cross, push.
Irresistible friend, will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over.
Alrighty, I think I got it. That was kind of it, I think. So it's getting dark, but I think I was able to get it thanks to Ishariah. I want to say thank you. And if people wanted to find you on Instagram, how would they find you?
So I'm Storm Skater on Instagram, and also I do lessons with Playtone UK on Instagram, so Playtone_UK. And also I skate around London. If you guys want any private lessons, just hit me up on my DMs. And yeah.
Alrighty, well thank you very much for tuning in, and as we always say, later skater.